So, in my field, if they want to give a solution for a problem, they must first think like whether the solution is right or wrong. Because can they able to convince the people like this is the right solution? That's why they hire people who are experienced because they already interacted with the people who are giving license to them. Therefore, they know how they will react to this kind of a situation. Even if they don't know, they have some sort of some some sort of hesitation like what they will think whether the solution is correct or not. So I think in places like this we can use artificial intelligence, like places like this, like there is a problem and the solution involves convincing people how they will react whether it is a right thing or not. There's no written procedures for it. These problems are existing in a, they are new problems, like many others didn't face this kind of problem. It's not a mathematical problem, it's like administrative or technical problems, something did something, someone did something, but how to overcome it with proper justification and all. They have a set of rules, they can only play with them, and the justification should be accepted by the people who are giving license to them. And so the solution can be given by people who interacted a lot of who interact a lot with licensing people. That's why they hire experienced people in those kind of positions. What I think is that is people can develop AI to give solutions to this kind of problems, and that AI can be licensed and they can give justification like we given problem to this AI and it came out with a solution and we used it. uh, what I'm trying to tell is those people who want to make a decision, what whether they accept or not can be predicted by the AI based on a lot of data points, like a lot of situations. If you feed into it, it can develop some sort of an intelligence, and that can help to overcome a problem, because it involves convincing a lot of people. Single person decision based on a single experience, it's not going to be that much effective. If you have an artificial intelligence which is going to go through a lot of situations similar to that and come up with a solution, I think it's much more effective than a single person taking a decision. This kind of, see, that problem is new, and the solution they have to convince with a lot of people. Therefore a single person taking the decision, it's really difficult. Therefore if you have an AI app especially for this, which know all kind of problems happened in that field and come up with a solution, whether we can show and it comes with the justification also. So while using this kind of apps for decision making, I think it's very, this kind of things is going to come in very very near future. I think AI is the future, especially in this kind of situations where we have to take a decision that involves convincing a lot of people.